G'day guys, what's going on? Ange here again. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. So yeah, today we're going to be doing some differential repairs on my 1/12 HBX ground crusher. The last time we took it out, I was with Saul from RC Crazy, and we blew the diff. We don't know the condition of the differential because I bought this second hand, so I didn't really know how much this car had been thrashed. So at this stage you can probably see there is no differential on there. I've taken it off already, and I'll just show you the bitses that are in there. Like, those bits are okay, but the part that actually stripped out were just the little plastic sun gears or pinion gears that they've totally stripped out, and they sit in there, and then like one over the top, one down the back. So yeah, the only part that's metal are the two outdrive gears. So they're the only bits that are metal, and I couldn't find this in metal anywhere for an upgraded kit, so I've had to go back to a plastic kit, and that's the kit there. That's just from Hay Boxing, and that's the part number right there, 12011P. And in this you get all the gears. You even get a new spur gear and a new spring and a new clutch plate and disc. So the only thing you don't get obviously is a pinion, but all the other bits are in there. So I'm going to get all this in, clean all this up. This needs a good wash. All those little plastic gears are just totally stripped out. A bit hard to see. I'll try and get that in focus, but yeah, they're just all chewed up. Yeah, like I said, didn't know the condition of the differential before. We just took it out. So yeah, gonna get all this cleaned up, get all back together. I've also put in a new steering servo. The original one that was in there wasn't very good, so that's the new servo that's in there. And this is the one that Saul recommended from RC Crazy. It's a high-tech Mighty Mini HS 225BB, and this thing is pretty good. So yeah, I've already had it all hooked up, all ready to rock and roll in there. So yeah, so that's the one as well. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so we can find the servo and also the parts for the differential if anyone is looking for them. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to be testing this out now. I've got the differential all back together. Put 60,000 weight in the diff and just running this on 2S. It can run 3S, but I don't really want to. It'll be uncontrollable running it on 3S because it's only single rear wheel drive. So yeah, let's see how we go with it, and we'll have some fun with it. Yeah, uncontrollable with the only 2-wheel drive. Woohoo! It's very heavy in this bark here. Let's see how we go with it though. Yeah, that jump right there is good. It goes well. That steering servo is really good, just running really good. Oh, there we go. Had a good run there, but didn't last too long. Just way too soft. I think Saul's got the advantage with his. His is all-wheel drive, so.
Oh yeah, I think his was rear wheel drive.
Yeah, mine's only rear wheel.
Beautiful.
Oh, nearly got it.
Very nice, Georgia. Oh, no, I've got a plastic body.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Nah, it's alright actually.
Yeah, yours is definitely faster.
That was only 3/4 throttle.
Was it?
Yeah. Nice.
Nice little jump.
Oh. Oh man. Oh, I'll try that again. Nah, done the diff, sunlight on it. Look at that. The outdrive cups come loose. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this one. Got differential issues again. Unfortunately, I've tried everywhere to look, but you just cannot find this one in metal. Well, the differential gear's in metal anyway. I've looked around, I've asked around. So I had to spend that money to buying plastic ones, but something's let go again, so I'll pull this apart again, but it probably won't be on this video. Might be sometime on the future. I'll just leave this one on the shelf for a little bit because I've got other repairs to do. So, alright guys, take care. I'll see you on the next one.